guys, welcome back to my channel. In this cooking video, we are going to be cooking a nice easy crock pot meal. Chicken and gravy and potatoes. Nice meal for a cold day. I would love for you to comment down below what is one of your favorite crock pot meals. My goal is to post cooking videos every Wednesday, so I hope this video inspires you and motivates you to cook a nice homemade meal. Let's get to cooking. As you can see, I left the recipe at the top right hand corner for you guys to look at. I'm showing you the seasonings I'm using. I'm using ground pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. I decided to go light on the salt because the packages that I'm going to use already come with a lot of sodium. So, continue watching. Okay, you guys, so now I have my chicken seasoned and I'm going to start adding in the packs. So I didn't put any salt on my chicken because these packages come with lots of salt already. So let's get ready to season. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna be adding in the Au Jus. Where's the Au Jus gravy mix? And also gonna be using the chicken gravy mix. I'm mixing them up. You can use two of these or whichever you feel. I'm feeling the vibe of mixing them up. So that's what I'm going to do. And am I pronouncing this Au Jus? Bonjour. Bonjour. And so, like I said, it has a lot of sodium in it already. So that's why I didn't season my turkey with my chicken with salt. So comment down below, you guys, if you guys are ready for Christmas or making a lot of crock pot meals. I would love to know. So there we go. I sprinkle that in, but first I forgot to put in my 1 cup of low sodium chicken broth. So far I'm using 1 cup, and I'll just check on it throughout as it's cooking throughout the day. So just gonna pour that in there. So I might need another cup later on today. And then I'm going to add another package. I'm going to add in this chicken gravy package. But it's gonna smell so good. Also, I'm cooking with this is sliced diced potatoes. So there we go. So you guys, this is how it looks. You know, we can spread it out a little bit, and we might add a little more chicken broth. But let's get this cooking, and then later on I'm going to add in my diced potatoes. Okay, you guys, I am ready to put my potatoes in there. As you can see, I seasoned them with just some pepper. I got 3 more hours, and then we're gonna put the potatoes in. So 3 more hours and let the potatoes cook. Hopefully they get tender. Okay, you guys, there the potatoes are in, and we're just gonna mix around. Chicken is looking good. I added some lemon in there just for like extra flavor and more aroma. So there we go. There's the potatoes are in there with the gravy chicken. Chicken looking good. There we go. So now we're gonna let that cook some more, and see you guys later.